Welcome aboard. We're a family of 5 sailing the world one wave at a time on our trusty sailboat, Deinde. After an incredible year exploring the Mediterranean, we're now charting a course through the vibrant Caribbean. Join us as we dive into new cultures, discover hidden gems, and create unforgettable memories on our sailing adventure.
Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails.
This week on Sailing Deinde, we explore the vibrant island of Curaçao. We dinghied ashore and made our way into the heart of Willemstad, Curaçao's capital. The colorful Dutch colonial buildings lining the waterfront feel like something out of a storybook. And they've earned the city its UNESCO World Heritage status. Bright pastels, historic architecture, and tropical charm. Yes, please. We watched the Queen Emma Bridge open to let boats pass. It's a floating pontoon bridge that literally swings aside. And when it stays open for a while, there's a free ferry that shuttles you across. Naturally, we tried both. Over at Rif Fort, a historic fortress turned into a lively marketplace, we stumbled on dancers performing in the square. Curaçao really knows how to surprise you with a little magic. And then there were the famous Chi-Chi dolls, those big, beautiful black ceramic women hand-painted in every color imaginable. They represent the strong, nurturing Caribbean women, and each one is totally unique. Down by the water, we stocked up on produce from the boat vendors lined along the street, boats bobbing behind them in the canal. It felt like shopping at a floating market. We even went to the movie theater, something we don't get to do often. Addison, of course, couldn't resist dancing to the music before the movie started. We explored Jan Thiel Beach, a short walk from our anchorage in Spanish waters. Right as we dipped in, a long, silvery baby needlefish swam right up to us. We snorkeled, jumped off the floating dock, and even snuck into the infinity pool for a swim. The kids loved spotting crabs alongside the rocks before we rinsed off and dinghied back to the boat. Dinner was quick and casual, but the sunset absolutely breathtaking. From our family to yours, thanks for sailing with us. If you enjoyed the journey, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to catch our next adventure.